Learn MBSE in Digital Engineering, the relationship, models, simulations to improve system quality. Learning opportunities. MBSE in Digital Engineering. Learn about relationship between MBSE and Digital Engineering. Digital Engineering DoD. What is Model-Based Systems Engineering? Air Force Digital Engineering. Digital Engineering Strategy R=H=MIL. Navy Digital Engineering. Digital Engineering Initiatives. Miscellaneous. About MBSE in Digital Engineering. MBSE, Model-Based Systems Engineering, is a subset of Digital Engineering. The MBSE is compatible to the systems engineering activities of requirements, architecture, design, verification and validation. MBSE models and simulations. The value of model-based systems engineering, MBSE, in building the digital enterprise is substantial. In spite of using traditional document-based data via the systems engineering and systems integration lifecycle, MBSE very often uses models and simulations as the primary means of information exchange and to create digital threads and digital twins for systems. MBSE Integrated Data Set Approach. It improves system quality, consistency and digital traceability. Helps increase personnel productivity and efficiency. Early risk identification, cost reduction. Enhances communications across key stakeholder groups. Eliminates single-point failures through collaboration, knowledge sharing, and several other. Interplay between MBSE and digital engineering. It's not versus. A critical capability in digital engineering, MBSE integrates iterative, comprehensive design with insights into the implications of choices, changes, and system behaviors. The interplay between model-based systems engineers, MBSE, and digital engineering, DE, has been a focal point for the U.S. Department of Defense, DoD. MBSE in Digital Engineering Workshop is a 2-day training workshop by Tonex Training. This workshop covers model-based systems engineering, MBSE, digital engineering practices and tools, as well as methods like DOTAF, AF, UPDM, SysML, and more. Want to learn more? Log on to tonex.com.